Experts in career services offered their advice on building resumes to students at Troy University.
Students were given the chance to meet with the Office of Career Services for a Resume Blitz, where they were given tips and tricks on how to create a successful resume.
I spoke with the career services staff to get some more insight.
Resumes are used by interviewers, sororities, or employers to determine your eligibility for a role. On average, it's looked at for 30 seconds, so it's recommended that they are short, sweet, and to the point.
You want this to be an accurate representation of your student involvement, that you have good communication, also that you put hard work in for your grades or your organizations, and just how involved you are with your campus life.
It is also recommended to avoid colors and pictures.
A resume that stands out is one that's going to have a lot of experience listed, list great bullet points that start with those power action words to get us interested in what they did. A lot of involvement on campus and the community, things like that.
Certain skills also look good on resumes.
I think one would definitely be communication. If you're a student who has great communication skills, is a good communicator, can make that eye contact, that's important. Another one would be like problem solving, critical thinking, or fast-paced thinking.
Previous experience can also be beneficial.
I would highly recommend students to include job experience or work experience they have done, like an internship or anything related to their current field of study.
When it comes to high school experience, experts say do not include high school jobs, but do include educational achievements. The Office of Career Services is available to students wanting additional information on building resumes or job interviews. Molly Griswold, Troy, TrojanVision News.
This was part of a series called Workshop Wednesdays, hosted by the Office of Career Services.